HongXinZhou GRG Architectural Decoration Factory was established in 2015. This is a large manufacturing factory that integrates R&D design, deep production, installation, and after-sales service. The company boasts a top-notch technology R&D team, modern factory facilities meeting international standards, world-class production equipment, and an experienced design, production, and installation team. Projects span across provinces and cities nationwide: Shanghai Cultural Arts Center, the Guizhou Guiyang Changshan Grand Theater, Fuzhou Science and Technology Museum, Hainan Conference Hall, Qinghai Ledu Shopping Mall, Sichuan Chongzhou Bamboo Art Mountain Park, Jiangxi Nanchang Cultural Center, Zhejiang Wenzhou Wencheng Hotel, Xinjiang Kashgar People's Hospital, and Guangdong Chaozhou Banquet Hall. The factory has an area of 12,000 square meters. Large production workshops provide efficient capacity, ensuring timely delivery. The first floor is the production and display area for GRG finished products. Technicians all have over 5 years of production experience, and the work process is meticulous, with stable production capacity meeting different needs for customized volumes. The second floor mold making area has 15 sets of professional mold opening equipment, opening molds according to drawing requirements to meet various styles of GRG customization. The third floor features a GRG modeling exhibition hall and office area, showcasing various stunning GRG models, immersing you in an artistic feast that showcases HongXinZhou's mature manufacturing process and rich customization experience. We integrate excellent technical personnel from the industry, starting from solving design realizations, 3D modeling, drawing refinement, mold making. Each step is repeatedly verified, not only to perfectly reflect the design, but also to provide customers with more refined finished results. HongXinZhou is dedicated to building a one-stop quality supervision system. With every technological upgrade and every piece of material mold open, HongXinZhou strictly controls to strive for perfection, ensuring product quality is outstanding, safe, and reliable. The company has its own production, transportation, and installation team of over 200 people, performing on-site construction nationwide, with rich experience and swift delivery, ensuring the perfect execution of projects to the greatest extent. Since its development in 2015, HongXinZhou has deepened the market with GRG products. We have successfully undertaken more than 100 large-scale projects nationwide. The service areas cover shopping malls, theaters, exhibition halls, conference rooms, auditoriums, hospitals, schools, sales offices, hotels, and so on. Always adhere to the development concept of prioritizing quality assurance and reputation. Committed to providing enterprises with high-quality overall decoration solutions. Willing to collaborating with people from all around the world. GRG. Let's blend architecture with art. Build iconic spaces together.